Hi, and welcome to the Starry Night Block of the Month by So Kind of Wonderful. This beautiful quilt depicts the nativity scene, and it's done with lots of curves. If curves scare you, don't let it, because So Kind of Wonderful, the girls at So Kind of Wonderful are amazing at teaching curves, and they also have some specialized rulers to make things super easy. But it is absolutely stunning. We've got animals, we've got the nativity scene, we've got the wise men down here. It is pretty amazing. The back is very gorgeous too. I like to just kind of show off their quilting sometimes when we have the actual quilt. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's a 12-month program. It actually starts in September, and each month you will get a piece of the quilt, so it's not so big of a chunk or not so overwhelming. You will get the pattern and a piece of the quilt just so you can complete it in the 12 months. Just remember too, as part of this Starry Night Block of the Month, you have an exclusive membership in the Facebook group. So it's only for Starry Night Block of the Month participants, and you can share tips and tricks with each other and just be part of the community. So thanks so much, and we can't wait to see you in September. Thank you.